So today we are going to start quadratic equation. What is the standard form of a quadratic equation? ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Why? Because if a equals to 0, then in that case it will no more remain a quadratic equation. It will become a linear equation. So highest power, here the highest power of x is 2 and coefficient of this is a. So a should not be equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Now we will start doing exercise 4.1 NCERT. Exercise 4.1. NCERT book. Question number 1. Part 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. X plus 1 square equals to 2 times x minus 3. So we want to check whether this is a quadratic equation or not. So what we will do is, इसको हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना है पहले और सारे टर्म्स को LHS में लाके सिंप्लीफाई करके लाइक टर्म्स को ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करके चेक करते हैं. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाना है पहले. So a plus b square x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 6. 2x cancels. X square plus 7 equal to 0. So yes, it is in the standard form because the value of a is what? 1. This term is missing, middle term. The condition is a should not be equal to 0. B can be equal to 0. And C, constant term is 7. Question में इसने पूछा नहीं है what is ABC, still I have written this. But this is a quadratic equation. Yes, answer is yes. We will now I am going to do second part. X square minus 2x equals to minus 2 times 3 minus x. Again simplify this. Bring all the terms to the LHS. Again it is in the standard form of a quadratic equation. Therefore the answer is yes. It is also a quadratic equation. So note down. Now I am going to solve the third part. X minus 2 into x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equals to x square minus x plus 3x minus 3. X square cancels. So what we are left with? Now you can very well see, bring all the terms to the one side. Since in this case x square is missing, it means the value of a is 0 and which should not be equal to 0, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. The answer is no, it is not a quadratic equation because coefficient of x square is 0 here. Now fourth one, you can do it yourself, try it out. Fifth also, sixth also. Now I will do the seventh part. X plus 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 2x times x square minus 1. So expand it just by using a plus b raised to the power 3 identity, algebraic identity. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square equals to 2x cube minus 2x. Simplify this, plus 6x square plus 12x now bring all the terms to the left hand side, so it will become minus x cube, arrange it, 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equals to 0. Check it once, x cube plus 8 12x 6x square 2x cube minus 2x minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8. So now look, here the highest power of x is 3. Here the highest power of x is 3. So highest power of x is 3 here, but as we know the highest power of x in a quadratic equation is 2, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. The answer is no. Now I am going to solve the 8th part last. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 raised to the power 3. इसको एक्सपैंड करना है, a minus b raised to the power 3, it will be x cube minus 8 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square x cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. सो यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी को प्रॉपरली यूज़ करना है, ए क्यूब देन बी क्यूब विथ माइनस साइन सिंस द वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज -2 -2 -2 -2 -8 3a स्क्वायर इंटू बी, सो माइनस 6x स्क्वायर 3ab स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस 12x x क्यूब कैंसिल्स. नाउ लुक, now bring all the terms to the LHS. like terms को आपस में ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट जो भी हो रहा है कर लें. तो what we are getting is 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0, which is in the standard form of a quadratic equation and therefore answer is yes, it is a quadratic equation. और इसको एक बार चेक कर लेना है यहाँ पे कहीं पे. तो मेनली आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन what is a quadratic equation. Here the highest power of x will not exceed 2. 2 से ज़्यादा भी नहीं होगा, कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे this term has to be there. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This term is must. बाकी दोनों टर्म मिसिंग हो सकते हैं. बी एंड सी कैन बी ज़ीरो बट ए विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. तो इससे पहले हमने देखा कि हाउ टू चेक वेदर दी फॉलोइंग आर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और नॉट. नाउ आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वेयर वी हैव वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. काइंड ऑफ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. इसको बस एल्जेब्रिकली हमें क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में लाना है, सॉल्व नहीं करना है. वी डोंट नीड टू सॉल्व दिस. So what is the first question? The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Area is 528. We have a rectangular plot, means length, it will have length as well as breadth. Now what it says, the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. It simply means if b is x, let breadth equals to x, then length will be equal to what? It says 1 more than twice its breadth. 2x plus 1. So length will be equal to 2x plus 1. Now as we know, area of a rectangle equals to what? Length into breadth. Put all these values. 528 equals to L is 2x plus 1 multiplied by breadth x. So 528 equals to 2x square plus x. Just arrange all the terms. 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0. So this is our required algebraic quadratic equation. So we have already did the first part. Now we'll move on to the second. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. The product of two consecutive integers. So what are the consecutive integers? Let the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1, because as we know there is a difference of 1 between any two positive consecutive integers. For example 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, etc. So what the condition says? Condition says product of these two consecutive integers equals to 306. So x plus 1 multiplied by x equals to 306. Open the brackets, bring it to the left hand side, simplify it. and finally we have the quadratic equation which is required in this. So this is part 2. Now part 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. This is the age problem, age relating problems. So how to do this, कैसे करना है? तो यहाँ पे जनरली हम प्रेजेंट एज से स्टार्ट करेंगे. लेट द Rohan's present age x years. मतलब रोहन का जो वर्तमान उम्र है, प्रेजेंट एज है, वो x ईयर्स है. नाउ इट सेज रोहन्स मदर इज 26 ईयर्स ओल्डर देन हिम. मीन्स मदर सेज क्या हो जाएगा? It will be x plus 26. Since says 26 years older than Rohan. Rohan से 26 ज़्यादा, तो x plus 26. Now it says the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. 3 years from now means after 3 years. Now look, after 3 years the age of Rohan will be x plus 3. So it says three years from now the product of their ages will be 360. So Rohan's age after 3 years, it will be x plus 3, and mother says x plus 26 plus 3, it means x plus 29. Their product, it is given to be 360. Now simplify it. (29) x plus 6 इसको इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस. x square plus 32x and subtract this. So what we are getting? So this is the final x square plus 32x minus 273 is the final answer. Now we have one more part. Fourth part. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Let the uniform speed be x km per hour. If the distance speed has been 8 km per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. तो हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करना है. डिस्टेंस इज 480 किलोमीटर. एज वी नो टाइम इज व्हाट? So 480 divided by x is the original time. Now if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, it means speed कम होगा तो it will take more time. So this minus this, there is a difference of 3 hours. So this equals to 3. Now it can be further simplified to into a quadratic form. So what we can do is take 480 as common. We can cut this, simplify it first. X cancels out. Now look, we have 480 into 8 upon x square minus 8x equals to 3. 3 से कट हो जाएगा 160. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दिस एंड सिंप्लीफाई इट. x square minus 8x equals to 1280. Bring all the terms to the one side. LHS. So this is we got the final equation. So here we have finished the exercise 4.1. Now we will do